So today we will discussing financial literacy and understanding the importance of paper assets and its impact in financial market and individuals. I am Gashanara Faith A. Mulawin. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy is an education and awareness of different financial fields na nag-include og management of personal finances, capital, borrowing, and investment. So when we say investment, nandun yung bonds, nandun yung mutual fund, nandun yung what we call that insurance plan, and so on and so forth. About the same time, financial literacy is more critical. So, hindi lang siya simple than as what expected. That individuals must maintain their own retirement account. Then, nandun yung retirement funds, exchange personal property electronically or data connections, exchange personal properties, college, medical, credit, and mortgage debt. So, what is personal finance? It is a term that covers managing your money as well as saving and investing. It encompasses budgeting, banking, insurances. So, halimbawa ng mga insurances are health insurance or life insurance, non-life insurance or protection of assets, and reinsurance, mortgages, investment. Halimbawa dun yung mga bonds, mutual funds, stocks, retirement planning, and so on and so forth, and tax as well. Tax is the blood life of government and real estate planning. So example of estate planning are real estate investment. So what is paper asset? Paper asset refers to asset that are representation of something. So, ang paper asset ay mahalaga in terms sa financial market. Examples of financial markets are first, stocks. It's a security that represent the ownership or fraction of corporation. So, ang stock is among all the investment, ito yung ang pinakamataas ng risk, but then ito yung pinakamataas ng yield if ever alam mo on how to handle this investment. So stocks nowadays, well known siya, pero ilan lang yung apply as an investor kasi most likely stocks is good for aggressive investors and not for conservative one. So when I say currencies, it's a kind of money and medium of exchange. Currency including paper, cotton, and polymer banknotes and metal coins. So ito yung pampalit for something. States generally have monopoly. So sa Pilipinas, mayroon na tayong monopoly. And one example of that is the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas who distributed the currency of Philippines, which is peso. So although some states shares currency with one another, so like for example in United States of America, they do share the same what we call that currency. So what is bonds? Bonds is a corporate that issued by companies and securitized as tradable assets. So pwede siyang mag-trade ang bonds. A bond is referred to as a fixed income instrument since bond traditionally paid at fixed interest rate to debt holders. So most likely bonds, number one example of that is the government bond. Money market. It refers to trading in very short-term debt investment. At the wholesale level, it involves large volume trades between institution and traders. At the retail level, it includes money market and mutual funds. So, yung money market is the same with mutual funds na piniplay sa or trade through financial market, and individual investors and market open the customers. So, money market also is siya kanang most likely mag-yield rin siya ng high income or high interest, but lower in risk compare siya stocks. So, most likely, my money market funds also have managers. So, mutual funds is a typical financial vehicle made up of a pool of money collected from many investors to invest in securities like stocks, bonds, money market instrument, and other assets. So, yung mutual fund, halimbawa nito is if ever beginner ka ng investment, mas maganda yung mutual fund. Mutual funds has a fund manager na responsible for playing your money as investor. So, the role of the fund manager is to invest your money in securities like stocks, bonds, money market, and other securities. So, insurance plan. So, insurance planning is to protect yourself, your family, and loved ones. Ang ibig sabihin nito is life insurance. Your home, your asset is what we call non-life insurance, and your business against unexpected events. So, mayroon ding business plan or business insurance. The idea behind insurance is to get a group to contribute financially to a fund specifically designed to help individual recover in the case of unexpected loss. So, in case na mayroong mangyari or unexpected loss, hindi ka malulugi dahil mayroon kang insurances. In this way, insurances eases financial burden can occur when disaster strikes. Like for example, in Pag-ibig, they will help through calamity fund in order those individual will recover from that kind of disaster or calamity. So that's all. That's end up my topic, and thank you.